Hi, let's talk about the 80 new presets that now come included for free in the standard and pro versions of colorfinale 2.6.1 and up. We'll show you how to install the collection and how presets can be used in your projects. Using presets is a convenient and flexible method for speeding up your workflow. With them, you can quickly find a suitable look and moreover have complete control over individual settings so that you can make adjustments according to your taste. Make sure you're in the latest version of the plugin. You can download it from the colorfinale website. Apply the plugin over a clip and go over to the inspector panel. Click the three-dot circle button to the right of the logo and the version name. Select Preset Store from the menu. A window will pop up showing you the preset collections you can purchase as well as the included collection. This free collection is simply called colorfinale presets and includes 80 various looks. You can see previews of how these presets look in real time. The colorfinale presets collection is full of variety, so there will be a fitting look for almost any task. To get this collection, click on the Install button. Nice! Now you have this collection, you can begin using it in your project. Go to the Layers panel and add a presets layer. Let's pick an example and apply it to our clip. This ocean preset is already looking good, but we can immediately take advantage of the fully customizable nature of presets. Let's make some adjustments. Much better. Here's a before and after. Nice. Let's see what happens when we apply this preset to another shot. The result could be better. This isn't a problem. We have full control, since we can work on the adjustments individually. Looking good. With only a few changes, we have achieved a teal and orange look for this shot. We can now save this variant to our personal collection. We can come back to it again and again. Our team has come up with a collection of presets that can be used in your Final Cut projects to cut down the time you spend on creating looks. And as you just saw, you can further edit presets to make them your own. Thanks for watching this video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more regular info and tutorials about colorfinale 2 and other products. Goodbye.